Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I do a quick makeup. I was doing some kind of video but using another product, but we are in the summer now, so I switch some of my product. So if you want to see how I make a very quick 5-minute makeup with less product, continue to watching, and I will be glad to have you here. So first of all, I am using this serum by Apivita. It is anti-fatigue Be Radiant serum. I just put 2 drops because it is very concentrated and my skin need only 2 drops. I just press a little bit to feel that my serum is incorporated in my skin. So after I use this serum, by the way guys, it is a very good serum. When I sleep very little, I notice that my skin isn't so stressed or something like this. It gives me a shine and a healthy look. I incorporate something new in my makeup routine. This is from Avène. This is their emulsion, tinted hydrating emulsion with SPF 30 for skin that is normal or mixed. I just something like this. It doesn't have so much color, and I just want to apply with my hand because I was applying with my brush, and because it is so light, I noticed that all the product was on my brush and not on my skin. So like a cream, I just apply to my skin. After I apply this one, I just apply some kind of concealer. This is my mini version of Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer. It is a very good concealer. Many people have good reviews on it, and I'm agree with them. This is the creamier version, but they have also the normal version. I will try the normal version too when I will finish this one. It melts very well in my skin, and I like what cover did in this area. After this, I am using my all-time powder from Dr. Irina Aries, just to set all the product and the concealer and the BB cream. This emulsion is like a BB cream, guys. Sorry for the noise. I think the dishwasher was hearing on my background. So after I put this, I just use this Glowish by Huda Beauty, this kind of bronzer, and I like to apply on my lid just to have more color on it, not only the eyeliner. For chatting a little bit, guys, I am so pleased that the weather is finally cold, warm, and the winter is finally gone, because We are on 20 May, guys, and on other years on this period I was in the cold, in the warm weather for a long time. So I just apply on my lid, and with a brush I just contour my cheeks and some part of this. Good. After this I just apply my Essence long lasting eyeliner. This is brown, something like this. I like the brown one, the silver, just to contour my eyes and to be soft. Let me see if I put it right, because on the camera it's very hard. And my final step, it is my Benefit Dandelion Twinkle. It is also the mini version, because I like to have the mini version to see if I like it or not. It has some highlighter, some kind of highlighter. I just buy a brush for it, and I just want to apply on my cheeks. So this is my everyday look. It is quicker, and I don't use so many products, and I think with this I can feel good and put together, to say this. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I post every Sunday, and I will like to have here on my community. So till my next video, bye bye guys.